In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in ClickUp account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to access your workspace quickly and securely. Let's start simple. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type the word ClickUp, then press enter. This is the fastest way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked already. In the search results, look for the official listing that reads ClickUp Project Management, and make sure the domain is clickup.com. That's important for security. Always check the address so you know you're on the legitimate site before signing in. Go ahead and click that result to open the ClickUp homepage. Once the homepage loads, find the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. On mobile, you might need to tap the menu icon first to reveal it. Click login and you'll be taken to the sign-in screen at app.clickup.com. On the login page, you may see your account recognized right away. If your profile appears, simply click your account to continue. Seeing your account listed here often means your browser has a saved session or remembers your last sign-in. This keeps things quick and avoids retyping your details. If ClickUp uses your Google credentials, you'll be prompted with a Google account chooser. When that window appears, click your Google account to proceed. Be sure you select the email that's connected to your ClickUp workspace, especially if you juggle multiple accounts. If your organization uses single sign-on, the page may route you through your provider automatically. Just follow the prompts on screen. After selecting your account, you might be asked to confirm your password or complete two-factor authentication based on your security settings. That's normal and helps keep your workspace protected. If something doesn't look right, double-check the browser address shows HTTPS and the domain is clickup.com before entering any information. Once you've confirmed your account, you'll land inside ClickUp right in your workspace. From here, you can jump into tasks, docs, and dashboards like usual. For convenience, consider bookmarking the login page or the main app so you can get back in faster next time. And if you're using a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done to keep your data safe. That's it. Quick, clear, and secure. You've learned how to log into your ClickUp account using the official site, the login button, and your existing account selection. Thanks for watching and enjoy your productivity in ClickUp.